welcome to ITK Study Path. This is SBK. Now in this video, I will discuss result set object. Okay. So now last video we have discussed types of result set. Okay. So I want to copy this. These many types of result set objects are there. First is the non-scrollable result set, and second one is the scrollable result set. Scrollable result set having two types. What is the two types? First one is the sensitive result set and insensitive result set. And by default result set object inside the non-scrollable result set. Okay. Now, go move further. To write some points so we'll get the clarity. Here, about the result set. Yeah, 18 is the good side and bold is good. Now, the point is in non-scrollable, about the non-scrollable result set. What is the non-scrollable scrollable result set? RS result set object. A cursor. Cursor can be moved. Cursor can be moved only in forward direction. What is the direction? Forward direction. Correct. Direction. But in scrollable result set, cursor can be moved in both forward direction and backward direction. Forward direction and backward direction. What is the meaning of forward and backward direction? What is the meaning of forward and backward direction? First, if your result set object is the scrollable result set, then your cursor go first to last. Okay, like this. Okay. If your result set object like scrollable result set, then you can go first to last and last to end. You can go both direction, like forward and backward direction. Now, next point is one statement. This is the important point. One statement object, in JDBC, can create one result set object. Okay. What is the statement? One statement object in JDBC can create only one result set object. Object is opened automatically. Closes previous result set object. Open automatically and close the previous result set object automatically. Programmer not to worry about closing the result set object. Okay. Result set. What is the point? Statement object, one statement object in JDBC can create result set object. Only one result set object it will create it. If one already one result set object is there, statement, then automatically it's closed and open. This is all about this point. Now, now, like, like I will use example, like example, result set, result set rs1, suppose rs1 equals to st dot execute query method. Query. Why? Because we are performing non-select SQL query. That's why we are using select star from EMB. Suppose we have created a student, okay, std student, okay. And next is our next result set rs2 equals to st dot execute query method like select star from like address. It means it should be backward direction. Now, which statement is correct, which statement is wrong, I will tell you. While RS1 next, in that if one is created, okay, and the second is there. It's second object, it's the first object, it's second object. So now this is the statement for one, RS1, RS1, and while RS2 dot next. These two lines are there. So which line is correct? Which line give you exception? Hmm. This gives to you exception. Exception, but this line it's not give you it. This line is correct. Okay. Why? Because it's closed automatically. This statement is closed, and then this is the executed. That's why. Now next, if you want to, now next point is, if we want to result set object, if you want to result set object in program, suppose in a program, then we need two statements. We need two statements. Two statement. What is that statement? First one is the statement. Example. Statement st equals to on dot create statement, and second line is statement st equals to, suppose this is the st1, this is the st2. This is the related to second point. So okay, on dot create statement. On dot create a statement. Now I want to create now here create result set object result set rs1 equals to st dot execute query method. Query method select star from hashtag or student. Okay. And next is result set rs2 equals to st dot st1. Here is the st1. Here is the st2. st2 dot statement dot execute query method. Execute query. Select start from suppose. We pass here like one department object. Suppose this is the department. Okay. Now, previous I said to you which one is the correct, which one is the not correct. But 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 here we pass while rs1 dot next. Okay. Same. While rs2 dot next. Here is what is this? Give me the answer. If you observe the last point, then you are able to give answer about this question. Here is this statement is correct or not correct? Tell me. Yeah, here is the correct statement. Here is the correct. Correct. And this is also correct. Correct. Why? Because here statement object is single. So listen. Here statement object is single. That's why it's give an exception. Okay. But here the statement object, two statement we created. First one, second one. That's why here is no giving. Are you getting? Yes. So now, next point is, I want to tell you something like about the ratio kind of. What is the ratio between a statement and a connection? So the ratio, object creation ratio, yeah. The ratio between connection, the ratio between connection and statement object is 1 is to n. Statement object, so connection object should be 1, but statement object is many. You can create it. Okay. It means, what is the meaning? It means a single connection object can create a multiple statement object, multiple statement object. Okay. This is the meaning of this line. Okay. This is the meaning of this line. Okay. So now, this is the ratio. Now, second is the ratio between statement and resultant object. This is the important also. This line is also take very carefully. The ratio the ratio between statement, and result set. Result set, object is 1:1. What is the meaning of 1:1? What is the meaning of 1:1? 1:1 means one statement object, then you can create one result set object. This is the meaning. It means statement, one statement can create one object, can create one result set object. Only. I hope you get clarity about this. Okay. I want to show one practical proof about this. Okay. So now go here. I want to open my program folder in the yes. Here is there. Here is my one folder is there. I want to edit this program. So now here, this is the total program. So I want to develop one more time. All these things is not required for us. Delete this. Okay, when I was, I think you want this example. You want this example or not? You want them create new project. Oh, nice. Creating RS. Control V dot Java. Save it. Yes, yeah. Save. Okay, now. This is the common statement, load the driver. This is the compulsory. But nowadays is not compulsory. If you comment, then you can comment it. If you want loaded, load it. If you don't want, then it's leave it this statement. So this is the connection. Okay. Now this is the important point. So I am using type 4 driver. Oracle dot JDBC dot colon Oracle colon theme @ local. This is the port number. This is service ID. This is the host. Thing is the driver. Okay, Oracle is the vendor. JDBC is the technology. This is the my system username, and this is password, database password. So here create a statement. Here I created a statement. Okay. So now go, then this is the import. Remove this. So now here create one. I want to get the data from the database. Okay, I want to get the data from the database. I want to print. Okay, so what should we do? So simple statement st dot execute query. Query method is there. Select star from student. In our database, one table is, I think so, existed or not. Like I will check. Okay. Simple. Execute query method is return type is result set. What is that? Is return type is result set. Result set RS. That's it. You get the data inside the result set object. You get the data from the result set object. Then you can retrieve the data. From the database. You can retrieve the data. You can retrieve the data from the, like, extracting the data from the RS result set object. So what should we do? One is the method up to while it's not false. To that it's not false, then retrieving the data until okay. RS dot next. This is the method to returning go next to next like result set. I want to print the data. Print ln. Okay. So rs dot get int. Get int first is SID number our okay and plus do some spaces like plus rs dot get string as student name. Which type is student name is string type. That's why and spaces plus rs dot get string. This is that methods are there. I will tell you what is this. This is the get access method. Many more methods are there. All types of data types related methods are there. If data existed inside the database like float, int, and string, then you can use this type of simple. Okay, no, here is not required. That's it. Get string. That's it. That's it. Here you're retrieving the data. Okay, you retrieve the data from the database. Simple. One is the okay, providing a line. Now I want to close. I want to close. First is the statement object st dot close. Sorry, close. st dot close method call here and con dot close. Now first we close rs result set close also. Now program is ready to execute. First, I want to check when database student table is existed or not. If not existed, then I will SQL. I try to open. What happened? It's not opening SQL. SQL plus is not. What? It's not connecting, I think so. What happened next? Not connecting to the database in my system. Why? I don't know what happened with this SQL here. Just a minute. Just a minute. Plus new. What happened in our may getting some issue in my database. I want to resolve this problem. Here they are. That is SPK product. This is my database is existed here. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, no issue. Program is same. I want to open a SQL developer. Okay, let me try. Wait. SQL developer. Where is the SQL developer is there? Software, yeah. SQL developer is there. So I want to open the SQL developer. Yeah, sometimes it's getting this type of error. Just leave it. Use SQL developer. It's taking time to open. Okay, takes time. Then for trying window R. It's not opening. I will check today. After we should, why? Because I'm not using SQL plus SQL plus command client. Okay, I will use Oracle SQL developer differently in our real time. And nowadays also Oracle developers, every developer using Oracle developer, Oracle SQL developer. No one using SQL client command. Okay. Okay. Click OK. This is very easy to use. Yeah, not a big deal here. Okay. Waiting for the initializing. Easy to use. Why? Because I think the student table is not existed in our database. Okay. I'm creating a school table. I will create. This is the connection. Here, one thing is required. What is that? What is that? Import java dot sql dot result set object. Result set object. Result set interface is required. That's what we are using. Otherwise, we'll leave it. Yeah. Database is, I think, connected automatically. Connect manually, not ORCL is good. Domain admin. Yeah. Yeah. So now, Oracle database, create. Click here. Create database name. My DB. Okay. My username is system and password default and system. Password system. Yeah. ORCL, not ORCL. X is ORCL. Yes, okay. Test, first of all, test it's connected or not. If it failed, then leave it. Okay. Connection failed. IO with the network adapter could not establish connection between this. Why? Yes. Let's see. I want to check. One minute, actually. Hmm. It's not connecting here. I think some a problem with the installation process system. It password is system must SysDB. No, no. Basic. I want to basic. Go to port number is still go to good service name. I still go. DB password is system. forward system host name host port number 1521 service name ORC. Okay, on the desk. Let me check. Yeah, it doesn't know what is telling you that connect. May it's happen, but it's a convention. I will show that this example in next session. Okay, next session. This is the I will show this example in next session. Okay, this example how to execute, get the data. First, I am fix this problem. I will fix this problem after this session. Now, this is the total about the result set. Okay, this is total about result set. Okay, now we will go. I want to tell something about type 4 driver because now next our next session we will go for the examples and okay, don't waste time. Next video like session 12 I will solve this problem. I fix this problem, then I will show you this example. Okay, don't worry. Type 4 driver. Type 4 driver. What is the type 4 driver? Some points. This is the important. This is the important. Okay, type 4 driver. Why? Because industry use only type 4 driver. Now, point is this driver is native protocol for pure Java driver. Protocol in the sense we are using localhost. That's why protocol. Okay. This category, this category of driver, this category of drivers are 100% implementation. 100% implemented in Java. So we can call, we are called pure Java driver. Pure Java driver. Now, next point is this type 4 driver, this type 4 driver, this type 4 driver uses native protocol. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of the native protocol? Database specific protocol. Database specific protocol. Database specific protocol to connect with the database. With the database. That's it. Suppose example the HTTP is a common protocol to connect with any website. Okay, website or web server. But TCC is native protocol. TCC, data transfer protocol. Transmitted protocol. TCC protocol only to connect with Oracle database. Oracle database. This is the point about protocol. So, so apart from native protocol, a type 4 driver uses IP addresses, port number, and also service ID or SID. Okay, to connect, to interact, interact with the interact with the database. I have also shown you in this example. This is the service ID, SID. This is port number. This is the protocol. This is the driver, thin driver. Okay. So give some explanation to you. The IP address of port number, SID are passed to the type 4 driver from the URL of the type 4 driver. Port where we can pass the by using URL port. By using URL section, we pass the port number, port protocol, and SID. Okay, service ID. So this is all about type 4 driver. First is the type 4 is the pure Java driver. Okay, type 4 100% is implemented which Java programming. Type 4 is a native protocol. What is the native protocol means? Database specific. For example, HTTP is the common for, but TCP is the native protocol, only connect with the Oracle database. So native protocol type 4 driver uses IP address, port number, and service ID to interact with the database. Okay. IP address, port number, and SID. By using URL section, we can pass. Okay. So now some advantage is there. Advantage called for pros and cons. Pros and cons. What is the advantage? This is important. Type 4 driver. Type 4 driver are faster than remaining. Remaining types of drivers because type 4 drivers because type 4 drivers because type 4 driver because type 4 drivers does not use ODBC driver and natives API. ODBC drivers and native API. Okay. Type 4 driver are platform independent. This is the important. Type 4 driver. If I had done the spelling mistake, please forget it. Subject is important. Spelling is not important. Feeling is important. Platform independent. Because because they are pure Java drivers. That's it. That's why this is the platform independent. Now, next point is Java applet can use typo driver to connect with the data. Java applet is the type of technology is there. Applets. I will show you one or two examples by using applets, but nowadays no one can using applets. Apps for driver or remaining drivers are not using applets. Applets not using or remaining drivers. Okay. Type for driver to connect with the database. With database. This is the advantage about the database, and also some disadvantages there, like cons are there. What is the cons? Disadvantage. First disadvantage is type 4 driver database. This is the very important. Try to get it. Database dependent. Okay. Only one drawbacks are there, but it's not a platform independent. Okay. It's platform independent, but it's database dependent. If you want to, yes. Okay. This is the about result set. Okay. And this is the type 4 driver about the all these things. So not is anything is there, but I want to tell you what is the thin. What is the meaning of thin? Okay, thin driver and also thin and OCI, all these things I will tell you next session, next videos, where I will resolve the database problem also. Then you will get it and clear this all these things. Okay. So thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I want to tell you something here. Open. You can follow my Instagram page called iTech Study Bar. So we will get more interview related questions. Those questions uploaded my team every day. Yeah. I will share this link in the video description. All these links you will get in the video description. Oh, you can go and follow this. These many MCQs types of questions also there. Okay. And batch related things also there. If you not subscribe my channel, if you were new to watch this video, so please subscribe my channel called iTrik Study Bar. Here you will get all these things free. iTrik, ITRIK, iTrik's jobs channels is also there on iTrik Study Park. We have one very good website for the providing jobs for notification. But right now I am not working on this channel. On the website. My team also not working, but some other day my team will work. Okay. So I will share my website also. Don't worry. This is the channel iTrik Study Bar. Go and collect the video. This is the playlist for your guys. Advanced Java 1:30 p.m. batch. This video uploaded on 1:30 p.m. Okay. All every day you will get the video. So thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me. Thank you guys.